मॉर्निंग गाइस, ये हम देख रहे हैं कुछ कंप्यूटर के बेसिक क्वेश्चन हैं जो भी हमें एग्ज़ाम में पूछे जा सकते हैं। तो आप देख सकते हैं साइज ऑफ फ्लॉपी डिस्क 4 इंच 2 by 1 4 inch 7 1 4 inch memory used to store the BIOS is motherboard as ROM. Microsoft NET is known as the high level language. User interact with the operating system through a set of commands, which is the technology used in the evolution of aptitude test OMR. SQL stand for the structured query language. Import that printer dot matrix 1363.452 is 1400. The number of bytes used to store a PCD is 4. Number of base is 8 are called octal system. A collection of worksheet is called a workbook. A binary numbers is tuple 10 is equals to the decimal number 14. Then which of the following is used to create the newspaper style column is format column. Multiprocessing means simultaneously processing with two or more processes. Then virtual memory is part of secondary storage used in a program acquisition. Data but is used in a serial data transfer. Software used by the computer to interact with the users is system software. Those commands are strive to properties of fill is attribute in an impact printer use mechanical mechanism mark the most appropriate statement. Mail merge can be used to print a form letter. Mail merge can be used to print a form letter and mail letters. Mail merge can be used to print involves. The following is an image file format is COSU. The function is round 1343.45 is written is 1300 virus services by capturing is executable programs. Now next is which of the following is fastered memory. So this is a cache memory. Okay, EEPROM stand from electrically erasable programmable read only memory. Which of the following translates a program written in a high level language into the machine code compiler? Which of the following belong to system software operating software? Which of the following the describe the relational database in consists of separate tables of related data? Background color or effect applied on a document is not visible is print view. Convert the hexadecimal number is 5 phase binary 01011010. If you need to show the vertically in a cell, how will you achieve this? Choose 90-degree and in orientation of format cell dialog box. IPR stands for intelligence property right. A transport DPMS keeps is a physical structure hidden from user. USB stands for universal serial bus. Operating system is responsible for management of the processor, management of input output, management of the memory. So the following is the largest memory size 10 crore megabytes. Linux is a type of software, system software, operating software, and open source software. A hexadecimal number has the decimal value 160. Mail merge is the production of multiple documents for a single template and of data source. A decadecimal representing of the binary number is 41110 triple one. Give the base is the IAF, which is the following is shortcut key of form of spelling of grammar is F7. Not an integrity constraint null. Which of these not an input device printer? USB stand for universal serial bus. Operating system is responsible for all of the above. EPROM stand for electrically erasable program read only memory. Which of the following is belong to system software? Operating system. Background color effect or effect applied on document is not visible. Print preview. The next one is you have to see like many questions. I have to write a proper way, you have to understand. And then is
वो मोबाइल नंबर कौन सा लगाऊं?
Thank you.